Good morning from Sofia in Bulgaria. We are near the Vitosha Mountain and we are going to do some hiking today. It's a beautiful sunny day of autumn with the yellow and red leaves everywhere. The atmosphere is just magic. We're going to visit this waterfall, which is an amazing waterfall just 30 minutes from the city. So let's go. Hike, it lasts usually 1 hour and a half, depends on your pace, and it's quite flat for a while and then it becomes steep. You start to climb, but not so much, so it's a quite easy hike. Look how beautiful it is. We are end of October. The forest is just magic. Beautiful colors, and there are not so many people because it's just 8:30 in the morning, and we are starting to climb. I've done this hike couple of times before, but it was a spring and summer. This is the first time I do in autumn. Oh wow. Oh, beautiful. This yellow color and brown and green, and we can hear already the stream is coming down here, and at the top there is the waterfall. And we start to see the water here. Look how beautiful it is here. Oh wow. Spectacular. And here is the stream, wooden bridge that we're gonna cross now. I like all these rocks here. almost there. This is not the main fall, but still beautiful with all the yellow and brown leaves. Oh, I really love it. Alright, I'm having a break before going for the last meters, the last step to the Boyana Waterfall. I'm just enjoying the nature. It's really beautiful to be here. Now I'm gonna have some minutes here of break because I want to show you this panorama, and down there is the capital of Bulgaria, Sofia. The sun is up. It's 11 in the morning, and this is the nature around me. Back to the base, it was 3 hours and 20 minutes, but usually you can go faster. Of course, I was shooting 1 hour and a half to go up and 1 hour and a half to go down, maybe less. I think in 2 hours and a half you can do this hiking also yourself. I'll put the link in the description for the starting point of the hiking to Boyana Waterfall. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and see you next time.